Hi there, grade 8. Today we are going to be working through question 3 of the SP November 2018 paper. So in 3.1 we have 4 times a squared plus 2a minus 3 and in brackets a minus 3. What we want to do here, grade 8, is we want to multiply out. So we need to multiply 4 times a squared and 4 times 2a. That will give me 4a squared plus 8a. And then negative 3 times a is negative 3a squared, and negative 3a times negative 3 is positive 9a. What we then need to do is add our like terms. So what are our like terms? You know that our like terms are those variables with the same exponent. So it has to be the same variable, same exponent. So we are going to group them together. Do you see the a squared and the a squared? That means that we can group them together. 4a squared minus 3a squared is a squared, and plus 8a plus 9a is plus 17a. Let's look at 3.2. 3.2, we have negative 2x, and in brackets we have negative 3x squared to the power 3. Okay, what this means is that, well, you know BODMAS. We know we must do brackets first. So we need to simplify this first. So that will give us negative 3, but don't forget that 3 has its own power of 1, and that's x to the power 2. We've got to distribute this 3 on the outside. So what we need to do is say that it will give us negative 3, 1 times 3, and then x to the power 2 times 3. X to the power 2 times 3 is x to the power 6, and negative 3 to the power 3 is negative 27. And once we've simplified that, we can go ahead and say, well, now that we've sorted out the brackets, we can multiply in. Negative 2 times negative 27 is 54, and that's an invisible 1. 1 plus 6 is x to the power 7. Let's look at the next one. 3.3. Let's look at this one. It's 6a squared b to the power 3 minus 12a cubed b divided by 3ab. The best method is to split this. So we take our first term and we write it over 3ab, and then we take our second term and we also write it over 3ab. So 6a squared b cubed over 3ab minus 12a cubed b over 3ab. So we divide. 6 divided by 3 is 2. A squared divided by a is a. And b cubed divided by b. Don't forget that invisible power 1. And when we divide, what must we do, grade 8s? We must subtract. So 3 minus 1 is 2. And now we go to the next term. 12 divided by 3 is 4. A cubed divided by a. Don't forget that invisible power 1. We must subtract. 3 minus 1 is 2, and the b's will cancel each other out because they are both to the power 1. So if it's exactly the same power, the easiest thing to do, only if it's exactly the same power, is to cancel it out. Okay, you can't do it under any other circumstances, but if the powers are exactly the same, you can cancel it out. So that's it for question number 3. I hope you enjoyed the video. Keep watching and keep studying.